Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do something different. So I'm going to basically use a micro USB card, and in my Raspberry Pi right now I just booted with my hard drive via USB. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the image of the hard drive, my hard drive image, to a micro SD card and check if that works. First I got to get it out of its package. Kind of hard to get out. I think I need a pair of scissors or something. Let me get a pair of scissors. To get that cord out. Okay, got it out. Okay. Insert that micro USB card into the micro USB slot. Okay, so my operating system detected that. Get this in. Okay. Say okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to accessories and SD card copier. I'm going to select the device that I'm using, which is this thing right here. That's my USB hard drive. My hard drive with a USB dock, sorry. So this is what I want to copy it to. Yes. And I want to see if it boots or not. As you can see, that's a hard drive that I'm using with my Raspberry Pi 4. That's my Raspberry Pi 4. I inserted that micro SD card in there. Right now it's just copying everything on my hard drive to the micro SD card. So let's fast forward through this. I'll let you know when it's done. It appears to be booting. Okay, it works. Wow. Pretty good. Just gonna see if this works or not. Turn the volume on. Seems to be working good. Everything's working good from that disk image. I'm gonna shut it down. Okay, thanks for watching. My Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.